do shit. Rolled out of bed like, who the fuck did this? Knee went pop, back said nah. I sneezed once and pulled a muscle somehow. Used to party till the sun came up. Now one beer in and I'm like, yeah, I'm done. I don't need drugs, I don't need clout. I need a chair that helps me get up and down. I stretch like I'm about to fight God, make noises that should come with a warning label. Doctor says you're fine, cool, thanks doc. Then why does my spine sound like a bag of rocks? Oh, my body makes sounds now, what the fuck is that? Did I just stand up or did I break my back? I didn't fall, I didn't get hit, I just existed for a second and my joints said quit. My body makes sounds now, creaks and screams. I cough too hard and see memories. I'm not old, I'm just experienced that shit. But explain why tying my shoes feels like CrossFit. Yeah. I Google symptoms like a goddamn fool. Headache for 2 minutes, internet says you're doomed. Group chat popping, 87 messages deep, all to decide where we won't go eat. Everyone tired, nobody free, scheduling fun like a hostage negotiation meeting. Friends got kids, friends got cats, friends got one good night of sleep back in 2018. Facts, remember naps, yeah those hit different now. Accidentally slept wrong and need a week to recover somehow. Used to raw dog life, no plans, no fear. Now I need electrolytes and emotional support to leave the house. Cheers. Oh, my body makes sounds now, knees go clack. I sit too long and forget how to act. I stand up slowly like I'm buffering, loading, still fucking loading. My body makes sounds now, it's rude as hell. Sneezed in my soul, briefly left my shell. This ain't a cry for help, I'm fine, I swear. I just need ibuprofen and like 8 hours minimum every night, forever. Yeah, we're not falling apart. Yeah, we're not falling apart. We're just aggressively marinating. If you didn't laugh, your back still works. Fuck you, respectfully.